Remember that day? You asked to come along and see what I did with my drone. You stood right next to me. I pushed a button and the drone flew backwards and up. You said, I don't get it. I told you I was doing an asteroid shot, maybe some other video shots, and get some pictures too. Later, you sat and watched the video from that day. Remember that? Your eyes were wide open. Your smile was from ear to ear. And you said to me, hey, that's real cool. At that moment, and every moment I left to go fly that little drone, I knew you got it. I'll never forget that day. So let me get my gear. Let's do that shot that makes you smile right now, okay?